Moving to cerebrovascular disease, and the Stroke Award is funded by the Christopher Hanavan Memorial Fund, sponsored by the Caledonia Foundation and St Augustine's College. And this year the award goes to Dr. Penelope McNulty from Neuroscience Research Australia for a project Rewiring the Brain After Stroke, how to promote it and how to measure it. And the award will be accepted on behalf of the co-investigator Christine Shiner.
I'm accepting this award tonight on behalf of Dr. Penelope McNulty, who sends her apologies. And together, Penelope and I would like to extend our sincere thanks to the Brain Foundation and its supporters for this contribution to our research into stroke rehabilitation. With a lifetime risk of 1 in 6, stroke is the leading cause of adult-acquired motor disability, and more than 50% of stroke survivors suffer from a lasting disability which limits their independence and reduces quality of life. In order to provide more people with better, more sophisticated rehabilitation after they've had a stroke, we need to improve our understanding of the fundamental mechanisms which underlie post-stroke recovery. And this Brain Foundation grant will enable us to undertake a detailed study of the cortical processes which mediate recovery, notably brain plasticity or cortical reorganisation. And we will be using brain imaging, which is one of the current gold standards for studying the structure and function of the brain in vivo. And we'll also be comparing our imaging data to that from an alternative, non-invasive neurophysiological assessment, transcranial magnetic stimulation, in an attempt to establish if this may be a simpler, more affordable means of studying reorganisation after stroke. And this multimodal study will give us valuable insight into how recovery takes place after stroke, primarily with a novel upper limb therapy, Wii-based movement therapy, which was designed by Penelope McNulty, but also with other therapy strategies. And the more we understand about how these different therapies can mediate improvement after stroke, the more we will be able to tailor therapy to individual patients and optimise therapy benefits. So this will all contribute to our ultimate goal of improving the quality of life of stroke survivors and reducing the social and economic burdens of stroke. So once again, we together thank the Brain Foundation for their generous support to this work.